like,
I go home with my ankle's still a bit numb,
yeah,
so.
that's true.
Is it this way?
Yep.
Do we go out?
Yes, it's in the garage and then you turn right.
Oh.
Now, make sure the door's not locked so you get back in, so. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Up the stairs.
So this is where the guys usually go.
This is where what?
The guys usually go.
And keep in mind, this is our base of operation, so this is
Okay.
a pretty busy place day of.
Oh,
Okay.
We put up 2 to 3 tables, all the rental boxes and.
Do you cook all the food here?
It's certainly all finished here. Nothing is brought here ready to be served,
Right.
but it might be started elsewhere.
So cool.
Ooh. That's nice.
And then so you guys, everything is done Saturday. There's nothing that is done Friday ahead of
As far
time.
as
or-
setup or anything?
Right.
No.
Not typically,
Okay.
no, unless it was going to be, is your time frame pretty sort of standard evening?
Yeah. Yeah. I think we're renting it from noon to noon. Is that what people do? Yeah.
Yeah, it was what, 2001, something like that.
Michael, this is where you will be getting ready.
And then, yeah, I think it was maybe do the ceremony at like 4:30.
Okay.